Welcome back, everyone. Okay, let's add a submit button. Okay, so I'm going to push submit button, and then I'm also going to put input type, and of course, it's a submit button, and name is equal to search. All right, and as you can see, there is a button here, but it's a little bit messed up within this platform here. Okay, and basically we can put a BR there. And the submit button is really actually search is not a good thing to do. What we can do is we can actually put submit. I was looking at search there. So the thing is that once you put a submit button, you can have several different kinds of submit buttons. In fact, what we can do is submit form, and we can call this submit form. I'm just going to copy this and paste it up here and submit search. Okay, and then we put the name as submit search. Simple enough, right? Okay, there we go. And that's how you add in a submit button. I'll see you guys next time.